This is Coffee Bonsai. Today I'm taking a look at these screen protectors for cameras. Nice size on them, that 3-inch screen. It's a Ulbter screen protector set. Comes with 3 of them with a bunch of accessories. Tempered glass, 9-inch protection on there. Inside we have installation guide, which has nice pictures on it. Good instructions. It looks pretty easy. 2 different types of wipes, the wet and dry. Also these dust removal stickers, which are good. Actual screen protectors. And here it's got 1 sticker, so the back will be attached to the camera screen itself. Here I have a Canon EOS M50. This should be the perfect size for the screen. This is what I bought it for. First step, remove anything if you already have something on it, which I actually do. Step 1 here, we've got to clean the screen with the wet wipe and then the dry wipe. Start with the wet wipe. It's not actually wet, so I'm thinking this has been sitting for quite a while. You can always use something that you have on hand. In my case, I've got some lens cleaning solution. I think I need to spend a little bit of time cleaning this because of how long that screen protector was on there. Now we've got our dry wipe, looking good. Got that dust absorber. You also have some guides here. Step 2, use the dust absorber. Step 3, make sure the screen is totally clean, and then we'll actually attach the screen itself. And you're gonna put it on there and press the center of it. Doesn't actually mention the guide stickers. We're going to pull this back off and put it onto the camera. Fits very nicely on the M50. And I'm curious to see if it's going to interfere with putting the screen backwards. Yeah, actually it might be a little thick. See how this is clicking? Try the touch capability of the camera. Seems to be good. It's not interfering with that, which is nice. It does appear to turn off the back screen because the viewfinder is on. So yeah, not too bad. That was a look at these Ulbter screen protectors for Canon EOS M50, potentially other cameras that have the same size screen. It's Coffee Bonsai. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.